About this item: package includes KATA hole saw kit, includes 13 PCS saw blades, 3/4, 19 mm, 7/8, 22 mm, 1-1/8, 29 mm, 1-1/4, 32 mm, 1-1/2, 38 mm, 1-3/4, 44 mm, 2, 51 mm, 2-1/2, 64 mm, 3, 76 mm, 3-1/2, 89 mm, 4, 102 mm, 5, 127 mm, 6, 152 mm, 2 Mandrels, 3 drill bits, 1 hex key, 1 installation plate, high-end professional quality, made of premium heat-treated carbon steel, black coating with oil, rust-proof and wear-resistant, very easy to put together the set with the drill, ultra sharp serrations for high performance, faster and cleaner cutting, wide application, upgraded design with ultra sharp serrations for faster and cleaner cutting, which is ideal for softwood, plywood, plastic plate, plasterboard and thin PVC board. Great for tasks of cutting multiple hole sizes from small to large in desk surfaces, doors and furniture. Solid storage case. The set comes with a cut